Guys, Bitcoin news, bearish. Stay away from Bitcoin. Our last call was to sell Bitcoin right here at $31,000. And if you follow my videos, I explain Bitcoin right now is under this line right here. This line used to be a support, now become a resistance. Very bearish, guys. Let me show you something about Bitcoin, the main cryptos. Right here, all the main cryptos are going down because they are follow Bitcoin. But the trades I share in the private list, we just made 635% profit. Take a look at this. Shipping. I shared this trade in the private list on October 30. We bought this coin for 0.002 and put a sell order up here. 0.0044. 140% profit. My software track this coin right here. If you go to CoinGecko.com, go to 7-day charts, take a look at the volume spark right here. Volume spark from $60,000 to $426,000. That's huge return, guys. That's what I'm talking about. The volume spark plus buyer power. This is the pump combination. One more coin I share in the private list. Black Stallion, guys. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday before the pump. We bought this coin for 0.064. Put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 0.2 cents. 200% profit. I made $20,000. Okay. Trades I share in the private list on the last 5 days was Mithril share, Ad Finance, Shipping, Vega Protocol, Black Stallion. That's what we do. We make money because we don't care for the main cryptos. The main cryptos are gonna teach you a strategy to trade them as a swing trade strategy. But the crypto pumps, we buy before the pump and sell up high. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list, because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster, guys. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. If you like to get those trades in real time, you already know. Give me a like this video, share. It's all about the volume spark plus buyer power, guys. The numbers don't lie. Pay attention here. Shipping, 7 days. One more time, volume was $63,000. Volume pumped to 426. That's huge pump in volume. That means when the volume comes, the money is available. That's when we step in and step out. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.